Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the fan assembly in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 6 screws, securing the upper rear access panel. Set the panel aside. Disconnect the 2 wires from the fan assembly. Next, open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, pull the main top forward to fully remove. You can now use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the old fan assembly from the support panel. To prepare the new fan assembly for installation, transfer the 4 foam strips from the old assembly to the new one. With the terminals facing up on the left side, position the new assembly on the support panel and thread the 4 screws to secure. Reinstall the main top by aligning the sides under the front support bracket. Then carefully slide the top back, pressing the induction coils down as you do this. With the top in place, thread the 3 screws in front to fully secure it. Returning to the rear of the appliance, connect the wires to the terminals on the new fan assembly. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by sliding the tabs under the control panel. Then thread the center screw first to hold it in place. Replace the 5 additional screws to fully secure. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.